Alright guys, working on the trucks over here, replacing these fog lights on my friend's truck, because the ones we had are old, and the inside over there, I'm gonna try to take a picture, the reflecting part is all gone, it's not reflecting anymore, so we're swapping for a new ones. But we were fighting with the hardware because it's all rusted, pretty much all of them broke. We had to make a custom wrench, heat it up and bend it to get in there for the hardware, and it was a bit of a pain in the butt. But finally with the friends we took them out, so now we're using a new hardware. I'm using a 1/4-inch bolts, but I'm using this kind of nuts, so I was able to shave it off on one side, so actually when it goes against the housing over there, you don't need to hold it with a wrench on the inside, because it's getting crimped against the housing, so it's going to be much easier in the future to remove them, hopefully. So the new housings are in, so we're gonna put a new lights. He got a blue light bolts for that, and on this truck I think pretty much that's all. My friends are helping me with cleaning my truck, so it's the dirtiest one all the time. We're also working on this truck, a little bit organizing the electrical over here. Gonna put a new winch breaker connector somewhere over here as well. Maybe gonna make a bracket here, something similar to what I did over here, maybe something better, we'll see. But yeah, little by little work gets done. Fog lights over here, my friend actually got Auxbeam lights, and this is blue light, should be blue light, so that's gonna be pretty cool to see. Of course, as always, he has a sticker, Auxbeam sticker. I'm gonna put it over here for him. Maybe not, but look at this nice looking LED Auxbeam lights. Looks pretty good. So gonna put it in for him.
A few moments later.
All right, the Auxbeam blue lights, they're supposed to be blue. We're gonna see how they look later. They're in. It was a little bit difficult to snap it in there because these ones are skinnier than over there, but it's in. So now we're gonna connect them and power it up, see if they actually work. Gonna power it up now, see if these blue lights are working. And they are working, and they are somewhat blue. Yeah, they are blue. Nice blue looking lights.
Nah, not blue enough, bro.
Yeah. Oop.
No, I'm seeing it.
You see it?
Yeah, I can see you, bro.
He can see everything. So we have guys over here playing with the drones, flying over here, over there, all the way around.
Let me give Caleb some nice cool
Yeah.
here.
Over here trying to fix the winch, but looks like this winch is no good anymore, so we might have to get a new winch. Have a drone over there recording as well. We have our C cars.
I don't have the drone recording actually.
Some nice cool little drone. There you go. That's it. I'm taking home.
Somebody grab your shit and start running. No, just put your hand out. Just put your hand out.
And there it goes again. Very cool. But while the guys are playing, we're gonna try to fix this. Okay, so work on this truck is done. We switched the lights, did some little fixing here and there. We had another friends coming over, played with the drones, with our C cars, worked on this truck, did some wiring, worked on the winch. The winch is still working, but we He's gonna just fix the rope, gonna soap it up, clean it up. I did some cleaning on my truck. Now it looks nice and clean as well. So yeah, it was just an easy day today, just for the most part just hanging out with friends, working on cars here and there. Nothing too crazy, guys. Now that we know the trucks are good, we're gonna be planning some off-road adventure soon. And alright guys, another mod day is over. Did some work on the trucks, and we have pretty much similar looking trucks. The paint is the same, and the year is pretty much the same, and most of the modifications is kind of the same, just some are slightly higher. Especially this truck is higher, much higher. But yeah, it was a nice day. Got everything working. All the lights are working over here, looking really good. So yeah, the guys are leaving. I'm just gonna finish up cleaning up over here, picking up all my stuff, getting the work van back in place, and we're gonna be playing some kind of off-road adventure for sometime soon. So I hope you guys gonna be looking forward to it. So yeah guys, I see you next time.